Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Code with Arhan, and in today's video we are going to learn what are operators in C. Variables are a containers in which we store something in it, let's say some values, numbers and etc. Now we are going to learn operators. So we know that the variables are very useless unless we do something with them, like so we are going to learn the real power behind the C algorithm. So let me just tell you the what are operators in short. So operators are symbols that tell the compiler to perform specific operations on variables and values. Example, let's just take so this is our operator. And if we just send this D for A plus another D for B and another last D for some. And let me just quickly learn this. Uh, so we can see that this is working. So let me just use some types of operators. Let me just add types of operators. Okay. So we have some arithmetic operators first. Here, minus. Our arithmetic operations. So this is our 3.1. This copper first type is this. Examples of it. So we have seen already some here. Let me just bring this right down here. So this is our addition, or we can say this sum, and just the same for difference and all that things. This is our sum, difference, same result for product, and then we have constant that means division, and then adjust their mod. So if you ask me what is difference between division and modulus. So modulus only gives you, if you just learn this code, and you will understand what's the difference between. So division gives you the quotient. That means how many times a number, particular number is divisible. For example, is 3. So if we give the quotient is 3. Now going forward, we have something called assignment operators. And then we just create a multi comment for And now in this we have equate to for assignment. So equal to first add and then assign. So this is our assignment operators. So let's just see, let's see, when we have C is equals to 5. Don't you worry guys, I will give you the source code of this file. So I will make the code for the other episodes available too after this. So that you all can just go and see the code by yourself. Huh? So you can see that here after plus minus, we have investigated value of C as 5. After the equals to 2 is becomes 7, becomes 6, by 3 is equals to 0. So give us C is equals to 4. But in C, we can reassign the same values. For example, so we have assigned the value of C. Here it was 5, then it becomes 7, then 6, 9, and then 0. Now we have the third part. Where double equal to sign, then it is equal to less than. Then or equal to or less than equal to. This is this is our relational operators and they return values. Example, we just take two variables x10 and y20, and then if we just compare them, also now just comparing that, now you see what this results return when you just create all this in output. So, now as we know that 10 is not equal to 20, so here we should get the false. That means 0. So equals to 20 is 0. 0 means false. 10 is not equal to 20. 10 is less than 21. That means true. 1 means true. So this is our relational operators, also known as comparison operators. Sorry, it is called as comparison operators. Okay. So logic operators. Double. Let me just. So, well, what do we call this? And sign. This is for logical and. 1 and 0. It always always refers to 0 because of pattern 0. As you know, 1 is true and false. F and 0 to gives you false. 1 and 1 gives you true. So, and vice versa, all that things. This is our whole logical and works. Then we have logical all. This is our basically all. That means 1 or 0 is 1. True, true when we have the both values to be true. But all if anyone values P or Q, that's why we get 1 here. Not P means it just opposes everything. Everything means 1 becomes 0, 0 becomes 1. Increment operators. Or let me just write the increment and decrement operator. So this, let me just write this. Cover pluses for increment, minus for decrement. Example here. Cover first m pluses mean increment by m by 1. Size is decrement m by m. So, and also we have pluses a pre-increment minus a pre-decrement. Our example of post-decrement. This is post increment, post increment. Okay. Pre decrement, pre. So we just take and here. So see, after increment we get 5. It was increment and then place the value. This is our basically the operators, maybe bitwise operators. So let me just add the 6. This is our bitwise and all, all, not. So I have written the binary code of this campus here. Okay, great. So So as you have seen that U and V, all V, there, right? This gives you 6, resolve, or gives you -6. Sorry, 2. So this is our bitwise operators. I will not confuse you with the bitwise operators now. But if you want, you can just search now what are bitwise operators. See, bitwise operators is C. So if you just search that, you will just get to know what is bitwise operators here. So our bitwise operators is C. C for operator, binary representation, integers, and all that thing. So if we just see the, so if you want to see here, as a result, right one only both corresponding with that's the result with to one is the corresponding with difference. Okay. Not is just flips everything. Choose to one if the collapsive operators moves with multiplying the power by 2. So you can see that the basically the shift operators do just shifts the bits to left with pin number strictly multiplied by power of 2, and the same for right shift, but it moves to right and divides the power of 2 as we have seen here on this card. Okay, so this is as we are seeing here. So it gives you the 2. So the syntax of this looks like this. So we need the condition, question mark, expression if true. So this is just a short right? This is just a short shortened if a segment. So we have the age of 20 here. We say eligible to vote. If we just run this, we can see that we get and now this is our whole operator. The next video, guys, we are going to make a calculator. Yeah, you heard me right. We are going to make a calculator in C. So I will tell you the some common mistakes that everyone makes. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and comment to this video, and also subscribe to our channel. Bye.